updated our Christmas decor collection with some newly launched hanging ornaments. So here they are. They are made of glass and available in 4 shapes. We have hexagon, square, round and heart shapes for you to choose, and each shape has 2 sizes. You can choose the larger one or the smaller one. And they all come with this red ribbon, so you can hang them on your Christmas tree or other corners inside or outside your house to add some lovely Christmas atmosphere. And for personalization, they all have this special frosted finish on the back. You can feel this smooth texture, and it can help present high quality and more clear printout images, whether you choose to print photos or patterns. So next, without further ado, let's see how to print them.